Hello everyone, my name is poonam and this is the project on system development for smart shopping trolley. First of all, I introduce the purpose of system development. Firstly, it is easy to locate the item in the shopping mall and it helps customer for locate item they needed in required quantity. And yeah, also adding up of cost of item and of course place item in the supermarket trolley. Then after the third slide presented the principle of system design for get better result from system. Well, we know the overall objective of the development of this design of system. Firstly, we require to follow the whole information in the central idea. Then after data collection and the integration system. Then after we uses all around the economic, mature, appropriate, trustworthy, down to business technology and go out after the incorporate management, integrated planning, and the standard of the management, and then we thinking about the resource of management, and we then after the process of the whole system, and we finally require the following kind of principle in order to make best design of system. The first principle is simple operation. Normally a graphical frame used by system with spontaneous operation and at the same level of time frame, it can also have an ability to provide online instruction and facilitation. And in those circumstances, the user can also simply finish all the operation at their own or with the help of other person also. In this case, system are developed for customers' help like locate item packed as per quantity needed, etc. which should be fulfilled. And another principle is applicability of safety. Generally, system makes the entire research and analysis of requirements of user for the purpose of establish a system which would have ability to satisfy the need of the what actually being originally determined. Generally, every system is being designed in a way that it is more found closer to the need of the work which is actually required to be done to solve production problems in a practical work. So system design should be one which can give satisfaction in terms of safety measure. Then another principle of the system is ease of maintenance. With the use of standard model of software development and specialized method of design, the database design reasonable to the requirement parts, taking into consideration the structural design when the development of design is through and motive splitting off of the system. The reduction of the coupling between models which confirm that the program has been easy to retain and if any modification is required to make then it could be also possible in that case. Then another principle is reusability. The consideration of the reusability is that it provides guarantees in terms of system recourse so that we shall be able to make full use of the existing recourse and upgrading of the system also possible. The next principle is system reliability. The design system must satisfy the reliability of the normal conditions and also able to handle in abnormal conditions also. This gives assurance about the performance of the system in all circumstances. When we can see in this slide phases of system development. First, we can see is develop vision and objective. Then after understand existing process, then identify process for redesign, then another is identify change levels, then implementation the new process, then after make new process operational, and it is circle cone 7 step is evaluate the new process, then finally ongoing continuous improvement. In this slide, it is the step about to follow the system development. Firstly, we can preliminary investigation, then after system requirement analysis, then we can system design, then system implementation, then system integration, and then after we testing, then finally we develop of system, and finally maintenance. Well, this slide is about cost benefit analysis. Well, we analyze the cost and benefit from system for 6 based on assumptions of system development cost is about around $60,000 and maintenance cost is 20,000 and increment 10% annum. The tangible benefit from system is 25,000 and intangible benefit from system is 3,500. Well, it is the column about cost benefit analysis. How can we analyze this the cost benefit? Firstly, cost and the years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then total amount. And first system development cost is 60,000, then system operating cost 20,000 first year, then after 20% increase, then it goes on the 6 year, then after total cost we add these two and total cost. Then after benefits is two type benefits, tangible benefits and intangible benefits. Tangible benefits is 25,000 and intangible benefits from system is 3,500 and including in 10%. Then total benefits, okay, then we calculate net cash flow 16 minus total benefits, then net cash flow, when discount factor 10%, then discounted cash flow we can see that, and cumulative cash flow. So well, in this table, payback period, IIR and profitability index. Yes, in payback period, year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cash flow, we count in the first 13 slide. Then after cumulating, we cash flow. Okay, we can see here. Then IR is 36% and profitability index, total cash inflow is that and total cash outflow and profitability index is 1.262. And last slide we can see sensitivity analysis scenario of increase in cost of system development by 50%. Okay, the method, previous result and the new result. Okay, we analyze this. First, net present value. Previous result is this and new result is the 50%. If that 50%, how can we analyze this? Then payback period is that and that IRR is then profitability index. Okay, so we can see on the slide how can we analyze the system development and cost of analysis from this system. Thank you very much. It is the end of my presentation. Please give me the response. Everybody can see and watch my this PPT.